This video covers the main steps of setting up a RIO 6.0 king-size adjustable base. Using 2 people, place the bed base box in its desired location. Remove the binding straps and packing materials, making sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Remove the head and foot sections from their respective cartons and set them on the floor with the bottom sides facing up. Remove the items that were fastened to the base during shipping and set them aside. Make sure that all items are accounted for. Push the head and foot sections together, making sure to align both brackets on each side properly, as seen here. Use 2 claw bolts and 2 big washers to secure the head and foot sections together where the brackets align. Do this on each side of the frame. Connect the head and foot sections together in the center using 2 short bolts, nuts, and washers. Fasten tightly using the provided tools. The legs are shipped fully assembled. You may customize the leg height by removing leg segments. To install the legs, thread the leg into the frame and tighten by hand. Be careful not to over-tighten. Unpack the head and foot motors. The head motor is the larger of the 2. Remove the cotter pins and clevis pins from the frame, where you will be installing the head and foot motor. First, install the head motor. Note the orientation of the motors. Place both ends of the motor into the appropriate bracket and slide the clevis pin through the bracket and motor. Secure by reinserting the cotter pin. Make sure the green bushings stay outside of the metal mounting bracket. Do this for each end of the motor. Now install the foot motor. The foot motor should be installed facing the opposite direction of the head motor. As was done with the head motor, secure the foot motor to the brackets using the previously removed cotter pins and clevis pins. Locate the foot vibration motor cable, the head motor cable, and foot motor cable. Plug them into their respective ports on the control box. Locate the power cord and plug it into the power supply. Then uncoil the input cord connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Using 2 people, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Do not drag across the floor or rest the frame on its side. Install the mattress retainer bar by inserting the ends into the holes at the foot of the platform. Plug the power cord into a working power source. A surge protector is strongly recommended. Remove the remote from its packaging and install the remote batteries. Check to ensure the remote control functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. See the owner's manual for additional information or call customer service at 1-888-550-3746.